Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Allahumma salli wa sallim wa barik wa zid ala Sayyidina wa Nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. Amma ba'd. Dear brothers and sisters, throughout my years in International Islamic University, Malaysia, as a postgraduate student, researcher, educator, the invaluable foundation I received from Darul Huda Islamic University has been a cornerstone in my professional, personal, intellectual, and academic development. Darul Huda provided with rigorous and comprehensive training, with profound exposure and experience to the Islamic jurisprudence, al-fiqh al-Islami, usul al-fiqh, the principles of Islamic jurisprudence, which is my specialization, with a wide spectrum of disciplines including ulum al-Quran, ulum al-Hadith, tafsir, syntax, morphology, linguistics, human sciences, among others. During the formative years of my life, having this exposure and experience is a great bliss of blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, granted through Darul Huda Islamic University. Darul Huda's meticulously designed curriculum and pedagogy nurtures the students, offering them the platform to excel in their studies in the pursuit of knowledge and wisdom, helping them steadfastly holding to the highest Islamic values. Darul Huda also caters students with leadership skills, communication strategies, the effective ways of interpersonal relationships, from which I have benefited quite a lot. Largely, I conduct researches on the areas of contemporary juristic issues, qadaya fiqhiyya mu'asira, Islamic bioethics, al-akhlaqiyat al-tibbiya al-islamiyya, al-fiqh al-tibbi, Islamic medical jurisprudence. These areas demand, if we want to delve deep into the areas, we need highest competence in textual evidences, in the Islamic classical texts, in the contemporary sciences. For all these things, the preparation given by Darul Huda has been a tremendous, it played a pivotal role in my life and in many others' life also. I sincerely pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to continue blessings on Darul Huda Islamic University, its visionary leaders, dedicated educators, aspiring students, and Darul Huda fraternity, Darul Huda community at large. Wabillahi tawfiq wal hidayah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.